Hello everyone, this is basically a video of my pedal board. It took a while to get this together, basically because I was just waiting on parts. A lot of events happened in between, things like my father passing away and my mom recently just passed. So yeah, a lot has been going by. But yeah, this is my pedal board in a nutshell. So let's get into it. So as you can see, previously I had shorter legs, the ones that come with it stock, with the Pedal Train Nano Plus. As you can see, it was scratching my Ojai. If you know anything Strymon, they're very expensive, so I wanted to preserve that cost, even though wear and tear looks kind of cool sometimes, but not on Strymon stuff. So I got these legs. I was able to remove the old screws with a drill, and had to drill bigger holes into it, and then I had to make new sockets for the new screws, and then I had to get another tool for all that, so then I put them on. So another addition is the Miso, it's a mono ISO pedal or DI box. Helps with impedance and other grounding issues that you may encounter. If you're playing live, it's great. I love it. It's the Jet Micro, another addition to it. I wanted to go full MIDI. Gives me extra buttons and more control over the HX Stomp. The HX Stomp has been real amazing for me. The older I get, the less I want to carry, and the more minimalistic that I want to feel. So does everything. So for aesthetics, I wanted to move on to something a little bit nicer looking. So I went on to, or started looking for maybe like a wood board, custom made. So I came across these guys. I believe it's pronounced Choco or Checo Custom Shop. And they make these amazing boards. So here's my board set up right now, and it looks amazing. And yeah, and it's been rocking, and everybody loves the aesthetic. So yeah, that's my video in a nutshell. If you would like to like and subscribe, please do comment down below if you are interested in more of these type of videos. And thank you for watching.